He changed the rear sprocket, I guess, to achieve higher speed, so it lowered the power a little bit. That sprocket thing, I don't think I will ever do it. I can feel the sacrifice in power. I love these front suspensions. I can't stress that enough. Bloody fantastic. I'm going to look for a way to put them on the Haojin Warrior. Unfortunately, there is no way this thing can wheelie right now. I feel like if I try, I'm going to trip the clutch. I don't think he's going to be able to race. Shift higher, the power is completely lost. With every increment in gear, this stupid throttle does not let go. Throttle yako haiwachilii bana, kidogo inirushe. Hebu simama nikuonyeshe. Usiachi, uko gear 1. Uko gear 1. Achilia tu hii. Simama, usishuke, simama tu. Achilia clutch. Achilia clutch. Unaona, mimi nilikata kupunguza sprocket sababu ya hiyo. These things are actually very expensive. I will never endorse this because of that. It's the main reason why I don't endorse the Taken to 50. Just get the Haojin Warrior. You people are going to get tired of hearing me say that. By the way, unafeel aje hiyo power yake? Ndio nasema, just in case hata ukikosa hiyo 250, unaweza weka hiyo. Hii bike iko sawa kabisa. Unaangaliwa na fans wa Club Production. Lazima uende mbio, lazima ujiaminie. Uchunge tu usianguke kwa hiyo mawe. Kumbuka rear brake ukirudi nyuma. Oh, the guy should get us to 100, man. I'm running out of road. What is up, my peeps? Welcome back to yet another amazing video. Please consider subscribing. We're almost at 1 million subs. Thank you very much. So I'm going to release this video in 2 parts. This one being the actual official review, mostly narration. The next one will be my raw experience within the video as I ride the bike. That one is going to be almost 30 minutes long, so enjoy. The Levhart 200 GY. The thing costs 210,000 Kenya shillings, if I'm not wrong. If I am, someone correct me in the comments down below. Please skip this one and get the Haojin Warrior or the Haojin Hawk. Even the owner of the bike regrets buying it. Nikishinda nikiambia watu just take the Warrior. What hawasiki? The bike has a 199cc engine, single-cylinder 4-stroke air-cooled, obviously carbureted. The power, especially at the low end, is completely lacking. I couldn't find any information on the horsepower, the torque, but it doesn't matter. This bike is not powerful at all. Don't get me wrong, it was able to somewhat go fast. It was able to get 83 kilometers per hour on GPS, which is not so terrible. I mean, this means in the odometer, it will read 100 kilometers per hour-ish. GPS always reads lower than odometers for all bikes. The Warrior did do 95, I assume it can do better. I didn't have a clear road or a long enough stretch. We will be able to test the top speed here, I'm very sure. It is relatively flat and a bit downhill. Gear 4. Good. It doesn't like gear 5. Good. Yeah. The gear 5 is very weak. 82. I guess this is the top speed for this bike. I might go down to gear 4. The f*** is wrong with this kid? My friend, uko sawa? one using the phone, but hata kama bana. Okay, I guess 82 is third gear hadi mwisho. Fourth gear should get us to 100 man. Nothing but I'm running out of road. Oh, 82 ndo maximum bana. Uwe. I'm going to use the Haojin Warrior right here. Shit. Bloody cars. When I reveal, I'm going to have to turn around. But I think it's Africa, but that's why I got Africa here. Ra. God damn it. What a terrible day. GPS. Kwani hautaki nifike? Sawa. 84. I know you can do 90. It should be faster than the bloody, what do you call this? Evo. Instructions. Okay. Come on. God damn it. God damn it. JINCHENG. You should be able to do 100. You should be able to do 100. Usiniambie hapa. Come on. 95. Okay. I guess that is our limit. 95 GPS. 5-year-old Haojin Warrior. Good. Very good. I am satisfied with that. That's the problem with off-road engines. They do not want to go fast. Someone actually asked me, what is the GPS speed? There you go. A few years later.
At this price, you are better off going to any of these bikes if you want better value for money. If you must get an off-road, get anything else second-hand. This bike is only 2 years old, yet the power has dropped this much. To put that into perspective, my Haojin Warrior is 5 years old and at almost 40,000 kilometers right now. Even he agreed that he felt the Warrior had more power. The clutch felt every time like it was sleeping.
like it was going to disengage. I didn't feel comfortable pushing the bike at all, especially in gear 1. Once we started going up the gears, it progressively got much better. I couldn't even do a burnout because of that, and also the tires were quite grippy. On to the good about the bike, the suspensions. These were bloody fantastic. They were the only thing good about the bike, especially the front ones. I'm actually planning on putting them on my Haojin Warrior. I don't know if it's because they're upside down forks or they're just bigger, but they absolutely have something. The rear monoshock was fine, bouncy. Not bad bouncy, but good bouncy. Felt like I was sitting on a waterbed. It made the ride pretty smooth. It has a disc brake for both front and rear tires. They were pretty okay, considering how unpowerful this bike is. They were more than enough. Back to the negative. The frame did feel pretty wobbly and cheap. It felt like it was going to fall apart. I don't know if it can even withstand putting a more powerful engine. I did discuss this with the owner, by the way. He's not just some stranger. He actually really takes care of his bike. Definitely more than I do mine. The bike really looks good. You can't really flack it there. That's obviously one of its main attractions. It's very easy to convince someone that you're getting value for money, especially when you see those suspensions. It will give you about 30 kilometers per liter, which is fantastic, even compared to the Haojin Warrior's 26 kilometers per liter. So you have that. If I were you, I would definitely skip this one. Stay safe, ride safe.
You could try to play it, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson. He got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion. Your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression.